Kidney bean and sweet corn, stuffed peppers with chicken and pita. This recipe uses cooked rice for a traditional stuffed pepper filling. Ingredients. Category, item, quantity, notes. Bell peppers, any color, 4 large halved lengthwise and deseeded. Chicken breasts or thighs, 2 large breasts or 4 thighs, cooked and shredded or diced. Canned kidney beans, 1 15-ounce can, rinsed and drained. Canned sweet corn, 1 15-ounce can or 1 cup frozen, drained. Cooked rice, 1 to 1.5 cups, brown or white, cooked as per packet. Diced tomatoes, 1 14.5-ounce can, drained. Or a few tablespoons of salsa or tomato sauce. 1 medium onion, chopped. 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced. Olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Spices, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, plus salt and pepper to taste. Shredded cheese, half to 1 cup. Cheddar or Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend. Pita breads, 4 to 8, toasted or warmed. Instructions. 1. Prepare the peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees C. Slice the bell peppers in half lengthwise from stem to tip. Remove the seeds and ribs. Place the pepper halves cut side up in a baking dish. Optional pre-cook. For softer peppers, you can drizzle them with a little olive oil, season with salt, and bake for 10-15 minutes before stuffing. 2. Cook the chicken, if not pre-cooked. Dice or shred the chicken. Season it with some of the spices, chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper. Heat a skillet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Cook the chicken until fully cooked through. Set aside. 3. Make the filling. In the same skillet, or a new one, heat the remaining olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté for about 5 minutes until soft. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute more until fragrant. Add the cooked chicken, cooked rice, drained kidney beans, and drained sweet corn to the skillet. Stir in the drained diced tomatoes or salsa sauce and the rest of your spices, chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper. Stir well to combine all ingredients. Cook for a few minutes just to heat the mixture through and allow the flavors to combine. 4. Stuff and bake the peppers. Spoon the filling mixture evenly into each of the pepper halves, pressing it down firmly. You can heap the filling slightly. If using, sprinkle the shredded cheese over the top of the filling in each pepper. Pour about 1-2 inch of water into the bottom of the baking dish. This helps steam the peppers and keep them moist. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. Bake for 30-40 minutes or until the peppers are tender. Remove the foil for the last 5 to 10 minutes, especially if you use cheese, to allow the top to brown slightly. 5. Prepare the pita bread and serve. While the peppers finish baking, warm or lightly toast the pita breads according to the package instructions. You can do this in the oven, a toaster, or a dry skillet. Carefully remove the stuffed peppers from the oven. Serve a stuffed pepper half or 2 alongside the warmed pita bread. The pita bread is great for scooping up any extra filling or sauce. Serving suggestions: a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream. Settings: add any subtitle.